Progression of Self-Initiative Expatriates in a Global Landscape, a Conceptual Framework. By Usman Yusuf. The first part of this article provides a thorough analysis of the material that covers the topic of self-directed expatriates. The first thing that needs to be done is to come up with a precise description of self-initiative expatriates and emphasize how important it is to look into their evolutionary path. The primary objective of this study is to enhance comprehension of self-initiated expatriation in the context of the global work environment by constructing a conceptual framework. Based on a thorough examination of current literature, our research investigates the complex mechanisms that drive individuals to actively seek employment possibilities in foreign countries. Distinguishing this phenomenon from traditional organizational assignments. The main driving forces include independence, individual and career development, international connections, and opportunities for progress. The research methodology entails conducting a thorough examination of pertinent literature about self-initiated expatriation. The significance of cultural awareness, adaptability, and a proactive attitude in influencing the achievements of self-initiated expatriates in a worldwide community has been acknowledged. This phenomenon is analyzed by studying the decision-making processes involved, with a specific focus on acquiring information, evaluating risks, and establishing objectives. The results highlight the influence of many factors such as diversity, environment, global mobility, and personal characteristics on the growth of self-initiated expatriates. The study emphasizes the importance of individual characteristics, external support structures, and ecosystems that enable expatriates to take initiative on their own. In addition, the study examines the professional paths, impacts on organizations, and social and cultural contributions of self-motivated individuals living abroad. This conceptual framework offers a thorough understanding of the motivations, decision-making processes, adaptability, repercussions, and influential factors related to the global change in work paradigms. Gaining a profound comprehension of this subject is essential for individuals, organizations, and governments as they navigate the ever-changing global work environments. The comprehension, endorsement, and investigation of this phenomenon will persist in influencing the trajectory of international labor forces, underscoring the significance of personal autonomy and interdependence inside our interconnected global society. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.